to other international transshipment codes. May I also request you to take note of this, the sentiment of the growing industry. And one more point, sir, from a very strategic perspective, highly commendable thing in electronics that happened was PLI. It started with electronic industry for mobiles and which got accepted for most of other sectors. But one of the things what we are noticing now, sir, this PLI is being hijacked by most of the multinationals. And most of the multinationals which are hijacking, which are using their ecosystem from China and other extension, still they are not able to relocate their ecosystem. How about promoting some of the top Indian companies? I mean, they will need a push, they need a support. Multinationals have big arms. How do we look at creating India-centric ecosystems? Because we had a great opportunity on account of geopolitical situation to relocate the supply chains. If Goa can also participate in this, it will be our endeavor from the industry side. We would like to even take lead, but we would need your support in this direction.
No, both your suggestions, one with regard to the port. Of course, India has great export potential. And Goa is lucky, it has a port, and there are many inland areas which lose out because of that logistics advantage they don't have. So this is one area where the government is giving full thrust to, because that's the way forward. We're looking at doing everything possible to ensure that India does become that export manufacturing or production hub. And from seaports to, we are also focusing, and the budget has been mentioned on air cargo vessels, because it's so important, because the timing of, especially with regard to agriculture, by the time the product reaches, it loses its value, and you have put in a lot of effort to ensure that it does reach in the condition. If it's not air, then it's a big problem. As far as your question with PLI is concerned, see, the whole PLI scheme is to ensure that manufacturing happens in India, one, and two, it happens at scale. We want the best and the biggest to come here and set shop here. And once they do that, then you're talking about the MSMEs, which are a focus of this government, which fall in a value chain of that ecosystem. And that's how the whole intent of the scheme is. But I can tell you, India is reducing its dependence on any country. We are looking at manufacturing, and we will not allow a few big to corner the benefits of any scheme in India. It's for the people of India and the manufacturing capability of India to increase. And I can tell you, in the pipeline, we are also ensuring more PLI schemes, especially in the electronic sector, so that our Indian companies benefit, and the policies and the program and incentive of the government is garnered by people within India, and not only by a select few.
We are delighted to do this. Thanks a lot.
I think that will be running short of time. We have got another appointment. So on behalf of the Goa Chamber of Commerce,